You tell me. What else? Tell Mama. Tell Mama. Oh, not the hiccups. Yeah. Yeah. Oh no, not the hiccups. Do you mind those hiccups or is it okay? What do you think? What do you think? What were you telling me before? Do you want to share it? You want to share it? Oh, my favorite. The almost sneeze. Yeah? What can you tell me? What can you tell me? We had a nice walk tonight, didn't we? We did. Oh goodness, those hiccups. Should we have a little bit of the gripe water? See if that helps. Okay, we're gonna turn this off.